pagka magkita kami ni Ate Lilia, I would make the same appeal.
Alright. Okay. From IMMFI, meto nga distinction king campaign ng Father Ed, eya beholden ka rin financiers kasi ding tao mismo gagastos. E balang kalulu ela critical aliwa mo middle class ing magdala. Kaya even they can represent him. Okay.
Even IMFI is Indonesia Magtoto Memorial Foundation.
Okay.
I am a board of trust. I am a trustee of the board of it. Yeah, tumutulong sa mga batang may kapansanan.
Alright. Okay. So, ang track record po ninyo ay hindi rin naman pala basta-basta. Okay, alright. From MGB3, Quarry Taxes has made the Lapids rich. Punta ka sa office ng Enro, Pampanga. Walang record ng mga names ng mga permittees. Alright. Is that the last of it? Okay. But there are more coming. Siguro, at this point, no, Among, you have made, I'm sure, will make quite a few enemies in this campaign, no? Do you fear for your life? Has it ever crossed your mind?
Of course. But I'm ready for anything. Pagka nagtaya po tayo, dapat nakahanda tayong humarap sa repercussions po ng pagtataya natin buhay.
That's right.
Okay, may pahabol from Alex Sonsa of Pilar Village. Father Ed, nano po ing mumuna yung gawan king first 100 days mo? Specific.
I will convene the LDC and the BDC
Immediately.
because they will set the direction and the agenda for development in the province.
Alright. Okay, I guess that's all the time we have.
Yeah,
Maraming
mabilis
salamat
ang
po,
oras.
Among Ed. Yes.
Opo. Pagsabihan nila po rin kakosatang pumanwala king kikatamong krusada na sana po sopan tayong idalaya po king lalang kaya pong simpleng tao ining krusada na ini. At particular po, doon pong manwala tamo king kosa ini, bitali tamo po sana ang white ribbon kaya kikatamong sakyan. Apo pang white ribbon kaya kikatamo pong pibale-bale. At kukumpirang dako po king maragul motorcade. Apo pang meeting kaya pong Easter Sunday.
Okay.
Apo.
Alright. Anong oras po ito,
Averell?
Among? Alright. Yes, Averell.
Dali po retang landlines making headquarters detang bisang volunteers 963-3509 963-2409. Kay ba't po retang bisang mamie donation suling dakal pong donation sa lulub ting kami kempong Ama Bank Dolores account number 0202002646 account name Father Ed Panlilio. Kay ba't po ting kami naman kayong PNB Dolores account number 006-798-109012. Kay ba't din pong king abroad, akal pong mamahos king abroad, makananudong padala ring donation. So, sa da kang Father Ed. Ating kami pong dollar account kayong PNB Dolores, 679-701-4875. So, reta po nung detang bisang
Email siguro, Averell. Email address.
Among Ed Pandillo, one word, at yahoo.com.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Any
Matagal
other...
po. Opo. Itang kayong motorcade din Sunday, it will be a big motorcade po as a celebration of the risen Lord. May this crusade be a risen resurrection experience. In po convergence time, alas 6 na po ng abak. Kataking headquarters, kataking Padres and Villa del Sol.
Sa ito pong Sunday na ito, Among,
Yes.
that's April
8.
April 8.
April 8.
Okay,
Saka,
6 a.m. and then
Villa del Sol.
Villa del Sol.
Yung
Okay.
yes.
And we take this opportunity para pasalamatan na kayo.
Okay.
We also want to thank you,
Yes,
Among,
of course.
dahil, it's our duty also
Yes.
na mabigyan po ng pagkakataon lahat ng mga humahabol para
That's
po
right.
malaman ng ating mga viewers.
Para sa bayan po
Kanilang
ito.
choices.
Para sa inyo ito, sa babayan namin.
Right. Alright,
sa mga
nice.
Kapampangan.
Alright, so maraming salamat po and we wish you the best of luck also in life. and we would like to thank our sponsors also of Talking Points. Fanny Serrano, Dolores Branch, thank you, Mr. Pancho and Miss Beth. Fiel and Leo, thank you very much. Mariquita Charms and Accessories. MGLG Catering and Food Services Incorporated. Gorospe Hamon and Gorospe Law Offices, Smash Power Badminton Center, and ARI Designs at St. Francis Village. Thank you also to Dr. Princess Muñoz Limhoco for my skincare.
Okay.
So,
Partner sa Sunday, no? Happy Easter
Happy
sa
Easter
inyong
po
lahat,
sa
no?
ating lahat.
That's right. Sana gamitin natin itong panahon na to na magnilay-nilay po tayo. No? Pagbabago sa ating sarili, higit sa lahat, i-focus po natin ang ating pag-iisip at damdamin sa Panginoong Jesucristo. Kaya nga. Okay? So, partner, alam mo, buhay na buhay ang demokrasya sa Pampanga. Kaya we also assure the other candidates to please, share your vision with us. Come here in the program
Yes.
so we can discuss all ideas so that the people in Pampanga would have really an alternative. No? Kaya nga.
And we all have choices. Naman.
Definitely.
We all have a choice.
Okay, so this is Attorney Butch Hamon, be informed
And this is Dalsa Hizon, be empowered.
here on Talking Points.